Vero. They've got this orchid that's very, very rare. The only place it grows is on Orchid Island. Got Bobby Sexton from Vero riding through here. He says, oh my gosh, those are Orchid Island. Orchid, how the heck did they get here? He said, you know, you can't touch those. And he pointed them out to us, and I have to get him back over here to help me identify them. But they're in this hammock.
Is that right, Bill?
They're illegal to touch.
Talking about an orchid native only to this area. We're at the Taylor Creek Ranch, north of Okeechobee. This is old Florida here, folks. It's beautiful, it's peaceful.